But once again, the streaming giants really showing up this year at the award show.
This is the story. This is the future. You look at Netflix complete domination, 10 awards between film and television, and then that's just the start of it. The streamers really have taken over the awards race just as they have just the business in general.
And why do you think that is? Is it because they just have more money to put to work to invest in great content, or do they just have the best, the best directors and producers right now? What is their secret sauce?
Well, it's all the above, right? I mean, they have the funds. They're spending billions of dollars in content. So they have sheer tonnage, and money begets talent. So they are buying their way into these races and into our homes with the best content, with the best producers, writers, directors, and stars. So that money is paying off, at least when it comes to these awards.
What were some of the biggest surprising moments to you, I guess? Because I wasn't surprised to see Crown and Queen's Gambit do so well. Those were some of my favorite shows over the pandemic. But what stood out to you, Michael?
Yeah, there weren't a ton of surprises. I think you're right. The Crown we expected was going to do well. We weren't sure if it was going to be Olivia Colman, who plays Queen Elizabeth, who won, or Emma Corrin, who ended up winning as Princess Diana. In the film side, there are a few more surprises. I don't think many people were expecting. I think a lot of people thought Glenn Close was going to win as opposed to Jodie Foster in acting. Andra Day was a nice surprise, unexpected as well for her Billie Holiday telepic. But other than that,
Right.
not too many surprises.
Michael, what did you make of the format? In a way, I kind of liked how the actors were joining virtually. You got a window into their homes. You know, Bill Murray with that beautiful sort of LA, Hollywood Hills backdrop. The stars still trying to dress up. I mean, in a way, it felt a little bit more authentic versus sort of the red carpet and them all dolled up, you know, and coming to the award show. Do you think that's a format that will work in the future, joining virtually?
Well, I think it's had to work this past year. The Emmys did a really good job with it, but it is still tough to pull off. I think everyone is exhausted of these Zoom calls, and you know, I hate to say it, but it felt a lot like a Zoom meeting throughout most of it. You know, there were the glitches as a result. Some of the glitches are fine. You know, the show kicked off with Daniel Kaluuya's voice not being heard because I think he was on mute, which is, you know, you want those kind of moments. At least these unscripted moments on award shows, but there's got to be a better way to do these shows. I don't know what the answer is, but I think we're sort of exhausted with these kind of shows.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.